Why do 80% of the world's cars come from just 10 countries? Let's find out. Kicking off the list, we have Italy, famed for its luxury cars like Ferrari and Lamborghini. Next, Mexico revs up with its robust production of affordable sedans. Number 8 is Brazil, where compact and eco-friendly models dominate the streets. Spain rolls in at 7, known for its seat brand. At number 6, South Korea speeds ahead with Kia and Hyundai. Heading to Europe, Germany, the home of engineering giants like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, takes the 5th spot. India's booming middle class drives its auto industry to 4th place. In the bronze position, the USA, with its iconic brands like Ford and Tesla. 2nd place goes to Japan, where Toyota and Honda lead the charge. And topping the charts, China, producing more cars than any other country in 2023. So, next time you hit the road, remember, your car might have quite the international story. Happy driving!